I'm in airplane mode, I don't need no drama. Everybody know I ain't about that drama.
Hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, also known as Shyhaze, and I'm back with another video. This video today, I'll be doing some lip swatches featuring Official Plus Life on Instagram. You could definitely DM them to make all purchases. So I have 5 liquid lipsticks from them. This is the packaging, basically, and this is in the shade Baby Fat. Of course, again, I'll be swatching them so you'll see all the names and everything down below and on the screen. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at dbeautyforever. Also, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat at beautiful_haze spelled with 2 E's. And you guys, we have made it to 7,029 last time I checked. Oh, so you guys, we're actually at 7,086 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for subscribing, and definitely just like this video and keep on subbing, keep on sharing. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into the video. Don't forget to comment down below what's your favorite shade. I have to say my favorite shades have to be Baby Fat and Love Weight. This is Love Weight, but stay tuned.